Good morning, children. How are you? Fine. Children, did you enjoy the last class? Raju and the Rooster? Today also we will continue the same lesson. Okay. So there are so many things you know in the last chapter. Today we will start the lesson, and before going to the lesson SGP2, let's discuss riddles and very amusing riddles. Okay, thank you. Children, let's enjoy the riddles. Here is a riddles for you. I'll wake you up with a loud crow. On the farm I am the first to sow. Hither's bright I stand so tall. No eggs from me, not at all. Who am I? ପିଲାମାନେ, I wakes you up. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଉଠାଏ ବହୁତ ଜୋରସେ ଗୋଟେ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ କରି। But the farm I am the first to show. ପ୍ରଥମେ ମୁଁ ଦେଖା ଦିଏ। Feathers bright, ମୋର ପକ୍ଷୀ ଡେଣା ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ପୁରା ବ୍ରାଇଟ୍ ଥାଏ ଏବଂ ଅଣ୍ଡା ଦିଏ ନାହିଁ। କିଏ କହିପାରିବ? ଓକେ ଓକେ ଶ୍ୟାମ, କିଏ ତାହେଲେ? That is hen. No. That is ଅଣ୍ଡା ଦିଏ ନାହିଁ ମାନେ means rooster. Answer is rooster. Here is a picture of rooster. Children, we already discussed Raju and the rooster SGP1, and now we will discuss Raju and the rooster SGP2. But then, and before going to this session, we recapitulate the session. What? Raju and the rooster recapitulation. Just to recapitulate Raju and the rooster. Okay. Raju, a boy, lived with his parents and grandparents. They had about 2 dozens of hen. Raju ଗୋଟେ ପିଲାଟେ ଥିଲା, ପିଲାମାନେ ତାର parents grandparents ସାଙ୍ଗେ ରହୁଥିଲା। 2 dozens of hens and rooster, many chicks ଥିଲେ। The biggest rooster had a red crown. Biggest rooster ଗୋଟେ red crown ଥିଲା। ଏବଂ what is called biggest rooster? Biggest rooster କୁ ଆମେ king ବୋଲି କହୁଥିଲେ। One day the king was in an angry mood, so he fought with hens and other rooster and killed many chicks. Raju's parents were upset. Rajuର parents ମାନେ ବହୁତ upset ଥିଲେ, ମନ ଦୁଃଖ ଥିଲେ। His father and grandfather wanted to catch the king. ତାର ବାପା, ମା, ତାର grandparents ସମସ୍ତେ rooster କୁ ଧରିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କଲେ। What happened? It flew up to the mango tree, sitting all day and singing cookie doodle doo, cookie doodle doo. ସେ rooster ଟି କଣ କଲା? ମ୍ୟାଙ୍ଗୋ ଟ୍ରି କୁ ପଳେଇ ଗଲା, ଯାଇକି ସେଠି ବସିକି ଦିନ ସାରା ଗୀତ ଗାଇଲା। Raju's mother tried to catch the rooster. ରାଜୁର ମା ପ୍ରଥମେ ସେ rooster କୁ ଧରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିଥିଲେ, ତମମାନେ ଜାଣିଛ। ଏବଂ ଆଉ କଣ ହେଲା? ଏବଂ ସେ affectionately ସେ ଡାକିଲେ ସେ ଯୋଉ rooster କୁ। କଣ ପାଇଁ ଡାକିଲେ? କଣ ଦେଇକି ଡାକିଲେ? To offer some grain surprise. କିଛି ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଶସ୍ୟ ଦେବାକୁ ଦେଇକି ସେ ଡାକିଲେ। Dear, come. But what happened? କଣ କଲା? King ଆସିଥିଲା? No. The king did not move an inch. ଗୋଟେ inch ବି ହଲି ନଥିଲା। And sang the same song. ସେଇ ଗୀତଟି ଗାଇଥିଲା। କୋଉ ଗୀତଟି ପିଲାମାନେ? Cookie doodle doo, cookie doodle doo. ଏଇ ପାଠଟି ଆମେ SGP1 ରେ ପିଲାମାନେ ପଢିଥିଲେ। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମେ SGP2 କେ ଯିବା। ଓକେ, ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମେ SGP2 କେ ଯିବା। ଦେଖ ପିଲାମାନେ, ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ରାଜୁ and the rooster SGP2 ତମ ବହିର। ଏଇ ଏକ୍ସାକ୍ଟଲି ସେମ୍ ଥିଙ୍ଗସ୍ ତମ ବହିରେ ଅଛି। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମେ ଏଇଟାକୁ ରିଡିଂ କରିବା। We read aloud। ହେଲା, ଆମେ ରିଡିଂ ଆଲାଉଡ କରିବା ଏଇ ଦୁଇଟା ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ। ଓକେ। Second, Raju's father tried to catch King, the rooster. He brought some grains of wheat and threw them on the ground. He said, King, my dear king, Come down, dear, and have some grains of wheat. King did not move an inch and said, okay, doodle do, okay, doodle do. No, 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 no. Third, the grandfather tried to catch the rooster. He brought some loaves of bread and threw them on the ground. He said, King, my dear king, come down, dear, and have some crumbs of rice. King did not move an inch and said, okay, doodle do, okay, doodle do. No, no, no. This is all about paragraph 3 and 4 SGP what SGP 2 ओके पिलामाने वर्तमान आमे गुटे गुटे लाइन को आमे डिस्कशन करिबा से एसजीपी पैराग्राफ 3 एवं 4 फर्स्ट लाइन कोन अछि अच्छा पिलामाने तो मने रखथिबो हु फर्स्ट ट्राइड टू कैच द रूस्टर किए प्रथम चेष्टा करिथिला राजूस मदर देन राजूस फादर सेकेंडली ट्राइड टू कैच द रूस्टर राजूर बापा रूस्टर को धरिबा पई चेष्टा कला देखो पिला माने राजूर बापा केमती रूस्टर को धरिबा पई जाउची ट्राई टू कैच द रूस्टर व्हाट हैपेंड तापरे कोन हला धरि पारले कि नाही देखिबा हमें ही ब्रॉट सम कोन grains of wheat and threw them onto the ground. He brought what? He brought some grains of wheat and threw them onto the ground. से केते गोटे grains of wheat आनले wheat माने कोन पिला माने wheat माने गहम देखो इट देखुची हला wheat माने means गहम and threw them into the ground देखो पिला माने से कुकुड़ा मानकु कोन दउचंती grains of wheat गहम रो केते गुळे शस्य से कुकुड़ा मानम खाइबा को दउचन for what to the he wanted to catch the rooster केवल rooster को धरिबा पई he brought some grains of wheat and threw them into the ground threw thrown एटा होची प्रेजेंट फॉर्म थ्रो थ्रू होची पास्ट फॉर्म थ्रोन होची पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म ओके वर्तमान हमें तापर लाइन को जिबा ओके his father also said what king means who was the king the rooster he said king my dear king come down dear and have some grains of wheat she request kala और अफेक्शनेटली कहला तुम्हें तल को पड़ी आस कहा कहला रूस्टर को कहला देखो द रूस्टर वाज सिटिंग ऑन द मैंगो ट्री हिज फादर रिक्वेस्टेड affectionately told what my dear king come down dear come down and take some grains of wheat गहम रो खाद्य शस्य दवा पई न खाइबा पई ताको कहला बट नो द किंग डिड नॉट मूव an inch उट्टे इंच भी हलिला नहीं and said okay doodle do एवं सेई गीतटी से बारंबार गाउथिला कोन गाउथिला कके डडल डू गाउथिला माने सुनि दियो टिके हां चिल्ड्रन गो टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन grandfather tried to catch the rooster he brought some loaves of bread and threw them on the ground पिला माने grandfather here is a picture of grandfather and here is a what rooster and brought some loaves of bread what brought some loaves of bread it brought anila कौन आनला loaves of bread देखो एटी छोट छोट ब्रेड पीस थुआइछि एवं कोड पकेला threw them on the ground he said king my dear king come down dear and have some crumbs of rice पिला माने एटी गोटे नुवा वर्ड अछि crumbs of rice here देखो grandfather rooster was sitting on the mango tree here is what crumbs of rice ताले पिक्चर कोन जाउन छ crumbs of rice माने राइस माने चावल रो छोट छोट जो ଶୁଦ୍ଧ ଚାଉଳ କୁହାଯାଏ, ଖଣ୍ଡ ଚାଉଳ, that is crumbs of rice. But rooster saw the crumbs of rice from the mango tree. But what happened? What happened? Did he come down? No. He did not move an inch. Gutte inch bhi halila nahi. And sing that song. What song? Cookie doodle doo. Cookie doodle doo. Okay. So what happened? The rooster did not move inch and refused to come down. Who tried to catch king next? King ku kiye tapre dhariba ପାଇଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କଲା? In Raju's father. Raju's father tried to catch the king next. ରାଜୁର ବାପା king କୁ ଧରିବା ପାଇଁ ତାପରେ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିଥିଲେ. Second question କୁ ଯିବା. How did he try? ସେ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କଲେ ଯେ କେମିତି ଚେଷ୍ଟା କଲେ ତାକୁ ଧରିବା ପାଇଁ? ଯେମିତି ରାଜୁ's mother ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିଥିଲେ, by giving some grains of rice. So how did Raju's father try to catch the rooster? So how? He brought some grains of wheat and threw them on the ground. ସେ କେତେବେଳେ ଗହମର ଶସ୍ୟ ଆଣିଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡରେ ପକେଇଲେ ତାକୁ ଧରିବା ପାଇଁ. Okay, he brought some grains of wheat and threw them onto the ground. Who brought? The Raju's father. Okay. Was he able to catch the rooster? He କହିଲେ କିଏ? Was he? Raju's father. Raju's father rooster କୁ ଧରିଲେ କି? No. Yes, thank you. No. No, he was not able to catch the rooster. କିଏ କହୁଥିଲା no? Sam. Okay. Thank you. No, he was not able to catch the rooster. ପିଲାମାନେ ଆମେ next question କୁ ଯିବା. Next question ହଉଛି, who tried next to catch the rooster? After Raju's father, କିଏ ତାକୁ catch ଧରିବା ପାଇଁ ମାନେ rooster କୁ ଧରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କଲା? Who? After that, grandfather, Raju's grandfather tried to catch the rooster. After father, Raju's father, grandfather tried to catch the rooster. ଆଚ୍ଛା ପିଲାମାନେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ next question. Were they able to catch the rooster? Raju's mother, Raju's father, Raju's grandfather, were they able to catch the rooster? ସେମାନେ ଧରିବା ପାଇଁ ସକ୍ଷମ ହେଲେ କି? Yes or no? Who can say? No. Thank you. No, they were not able to catch the rooster. This is all about comprehension question. ତମର SGP2 ର ବହିରେ ତଳେ ଏଇ question ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ମଧ୍ୟ ଅଛି. To understand the text. ପିଲାମାନେ ଏ text କୁ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ଏଇ question ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଆମେ ନେଇଥିଲେ. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପିଲାମାନେ ମୁଁ କେତେ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ question ଦେବି, ତାର ଅପସନ 4ଟା ଥିବ, ସେ ଅପସନ 4ଟା କିମ୍ବା 3ଟା ଥିବ, ସେଥିରୁ ଗୋଟେ କମ ତମେ ବାଛିବ. That is called MCQ, multiple choice question. Okay, that is called multiple choice question. Okay, write the correct alternative given to the complete the sentence. ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ alternative ବାଛିକି sentence କୁ complete କରିବା. Okay, now question is here. Raju's father threw dash on the ground. Raju's father threw dash on the ground. Option number 1, grain of rice. Option number B, grain of wheat. Option number C, loaves of bread. ତାହେଲେ answer କଣ ହବ? Who can say? Okay. Thank you. That is answer is grain of wheat. Grains of wheat. Not grain, but grains of wheat. Okay. Now going to the second question. Raju's grandfather brought some dash. କଣ ଆଣିଥିଲେ? Option 1, option A, grains of rice, grains of wheat, and crumbs of rice. What is the answer? Who can say? Okay, thank you. C number. Okay, thank you. Answer is C, crumbs of rice. So this is all about SGP1, SGP2, Raju and the rooster.